These days, the word ESG investment is a hot topic. What is this ESG investment? Suddenly we get to hear about ESG word in the investment world. In this episode, I am going to talk to you about everything that you need to know about ESG investing and every minute detail why it makes a sense to invest in this particular theme. This is NRI Money Clinic for you, and I am Dr. Chandrakant Bhatt, investment consultant and a financial planner.
NRI Money Clinic. No hype, just the right advice.
In the last 100 odd years, a lot of development has happened all over the globe. Manufacturing has caught up, service sector have caught up, innovations have come in, and a lot of profitability and advancement have happened in the economies. There was a time when people used to judge a business based on the profits that it was making. If a company was making profit, it was termed as a good company. And this was going on for a long time. But nobody noticed, alongside the profit that the companies were making, they were also becoming a part of the problem. They were becoming a part of the problem with respect to environment. They were becoming a part of the problem with respect to the communities, pollution, and lot of industrial unrest too. Over the years, the investing public and the governments realized that if the companies go in this particular direction, it is not sustainable. Today, both the governments and the companies have realized it's just not enough for the companies to make profits. They have to do it the right way. They should do it as a responsible way. They should do it with the responsibility not to damage the environment, not to damage the communities around which these industries are located. And they have to be operating in an ethically right manner. They should be true to their employees, they should be true to their shareholders, and they should be true to the all stakeholders involved. It could be their suppliers, it could be the communities around them, and everyone. So only when a sustainable development can happen, the companies will survive. So the people started judging these companies based just not on the financial parameters alone, they also started judging on the practices adopted by these companies with respect to this ESG. E stands for environmental, S stands for social responsibility, and G stands for proper corporate governance. Investors and institutions' interest in companies which adopt to proper ESG standards can be gauged from the fact that the assets under management of different institutions in which the ESG scores of the companies are higher is increasing rapidly all over the globe. It has grown many folds. There is a constant search. Today, if you look at any company, the company is required to have its ESG score. Where does it stand with respect to its practices for maintenance of environmentally friendly policies, being responsible to the society, and proper governance? The ESG score tells you how responsible a company is. If a company has got higher ESG score, then the company will be favorably looked by the investors and the institutions alike. Now, the extra interest that is coming by the investors to this kind of a company can be gauged from the fact that today you have got indexes which are tracking the ESG companies itself. Even in our NSE itself, we have an NSE 100 ESG index. Likewise, you have institutions which give you ESG scores, measure industries and companies based on their practices towards ESG themes. Like the way you have the rating companies, you have companies which are giving ESG scores to the companies as well. Is there an advantage for the investors by investing in companies which follow good ESG standards? The answer lies in the performance of two indexes. One index is Nifty 50 Total Return Index and the other is NSE 100 ESG Index. Now, in the last 9 years, NSE ESG 100 Index has fared better than Nifty 50 Total Return Index in 7 out of 9 years. Likewise, whenever a market falls down, the ESG companies recover faster than the other companies which are there in the basket. This is to say that the investing community like the companies which are following good ESG standards. Why does the investing community favors companies with good ESG scores than the ones which do not have those scores? The answer lies in the fact that if a company is not following proper ESG standards, the risks for the company greatly increase. Its performance may come down. It may go through class suits. It may involve penalties. It may involve labor unrest. It may result in governmental policies asking the companies and the plants to shut down. The investors do understand the impact of this on the share prices and try to favor the companies which have got good ESG scores. These days, you will start seeing one after the other mutual fund houses will start coming out with a ESG fund. They would say that this particular fund is a thematic fund which invests only in companies which have got good ESG scores. Should you invest in these themes? I leave the judgment in your hands. You be the best judge in it. ESG is a good theme. It's just not that we have to look at the ESG scores. We also need to be looking into where the fund is going to invest in, which sectors it is going to invest in, and all these things have to be taken into account. But one factor remains. ESG is a good scheme. It is a theme which will do better than the general index in normal course of time. Likewise, when the markets have fallen, if you buy a ESG fund, the chances of this fund recovering from its lows is far greater, far quicker than the other funds. All that I would like to say is that you are your best judge with respect to subscribing to these ESG funds. Dear viewers, if you like the topic that I discussed today, please give me a thumbs up. If you are watching this program for the first time, or if you are yet to subscribe for this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Don't forget to share this video with your near and dear ones. Thank you very much for watching this episode on NRI Money Clinic. I will be back with you with one another topic very soon.
Press the bell icon for more details and subscribe our channel.